Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will talk about a very intriguing subject, negative emotions. Our health is believed to be negatively impacted by emotions like anger, sadness, and fear. But recent studies have shown that all those emotions could be beneficial for our overall well-being. So, in this video, we'll discuss the 3 negative emotions that may be actually good for your health. Let's start with anger. When you're angry, your body releases adrenaline and cortisol, which are the hormones responsible for the fight or flight response. This response is what helps you deal with dangerous situations. When you experience anger, your body is getting ready to either fight or flee from a perceived danger. This hormone release also causes your heart rate and blood pressure to rise. It's a good way to release pent-up energy, and studies show that it can even improve your immune system. On the other hand, chronic anger can have negative effects on your health. It can lead to high blood pressure, heart disease, and even stroke. That's why it's important to find healthy ways to manage your anger, such as exercising or talking to a therapist. Next up is sadness. It might sound strange, but feeling sad can be good for your health. When you're feeling down, it leads to introspection and contemplation, which can help you deal with any negative feelings you may be having. In fact, research shows that people who cry are more likely to experience relief from their sadness. Furthermore, crying can also release oxytocin, which is a hormone that can help alleviate pain and boost your mood. Similarly, while sadness can have its benefits, prolonged feelings of sadness or depression can also have negative impacts on your mental and physical health. It's important to seek help if you're struggling with these emotions. Lastly, let's talk about fear. When we're scared, our body undergoes various physiological changes, such as increased heart rate and sweating. These changes are again associated with the fight or flight response. However, facing our fears is good for us, since it helps us gain a sense of accomplishment, confidence, and resilience. While it may be tempting to avoid our fears and negative emotions, doing so can actually be detrimental to our mental health. By confronting these feelings, we can learn to manage them in a healthy way. Negative emotions like anger, sadness, and fear, while often seen in a negative light, can have positive effects on our health if we embrace them. It's all about understanding why we're feeling a certain way and being in control of our emotions. We hope you learned something new from this video. Don't shy away the next time you're feeling angry, sad, or scared, as they could very well be the necessary emotions for your optimal health. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends, so we can make more. Thanks for watching.